Hello everyone, today we talk about the Chinese character whose sound is Bing. Bing, in the first one there's two characters, first Bing, and then a third one there's five characters, Bing. A first one has two characters, Bing, okay? Let's talk about the Bing, okay? Bing means, so this word has two parts, okay? So the left part means disorder, okay? Apathic. The right hand means handle, okay? Grip. So his meaning means suffer, disorder, okay? Poor health, okay? Bing. This is his first meaning. Second meaning means function imbalance health. Third meaning means no vitality, no problem. Bing. That's another Bing, okay? So there's another Bing, okay? It means two people hand in hand, okay? They work together, okay? Two stand together, okay? Two people stand together, Bing. Okay. First meaning is stand, shoulder to shoulder. Second meaning combine, verb. Third meaning adverb, together. First meaning conjunction, progressive relationship. It's another word, Bing. You see, this word has two parts, okay? The top part means wood, sticks. The bottom part means point, stone holes. So he means a stone hole holding a stick, okay? So wearing in a stone hole in a wooden handle, okay? A wooden handle wearing goes through a stone hole, okay? For to wear in a hole in a wood for stone. Second meaning artifacts hand. Third meaning controlling power. First meaning qualifier bar pot. There's another. See, this word has one part, okay? So this is like the Bing in a stone hole for the mounting the handle, okay? So plus this indicator wearing a hole in a stone stick, okay? The hole in a stone mounted in a handle, okay? So first meaning the hole in a stone mounted in a handle. Second meaning surplus, heavenly, earthly. Branch tie with a D symbol, okay? Ordinal. This is Bing. This is like food. You see, the left part is like the food. The right part is like even. Okay, so his meaning is for grasp some food, flour, rice, and made a cake, okay? Pancake, okay? Made a pancake. It's Bing. It's another Bing. So his top part is like a corpse, scratching. Marching, okay? His meaning means executive, that waits from the execution. First meaning executive, that's server from execution, okay? Second meaning surprise, repelling. Third meaning isolation, block. First meaning partition, plat. Fifth meaning qualifier, face, block. This is another Bing. So his left part means a corpse plant. His right part means a grape. Okay, his meaning means harvesting corpse. Okay, Bing, harvesting corpse. Second meaning, grape sticking. Third meaning, to grasp, precisely. Okay, Bing is like soldier. The Bing, okay, the bottom part the hands. Top part means axe. Okay, so he's like a soldier, hold an axe to fight combat soldiers. Okay, Bing. First meaning means combat soldier. Second meaning is weapon. Okay. Third meaning third meaning enemy. First meaning military war. Okay, Bing. It's a Bing. It's like an ice. Okay. So this is Bing. Bing is special refers to the water. Okay. So Bing is still. Water is not still. Okay, running. So this is water. Okay. So this is Bing. Okay, still with the horizontal. This is vertical. This is horizontal. Okay, horizontal. This is like a plane. Okay, so it's ice. Okay, low temperature, static, solid. Okay, ice. With first meaning, water due to low temperature and condense into solid. Second meaning, nouns. Third meaning, adjective, cold. First meaning, chilling, cooling, verb. Okay, thank you for watching.